Now I can finally say good morning. Oh. Good morning, guys. This is the first 2025 vlog. I just decided I hasn't done my skin early, you know. Let me just start, or else ezolunga. So we discuss because of Landa by Pin yam ingafikiyo, but ngoncedo lukaNande Pignans uncedile but mandiyenze without ulinda ipin verify account yam. So now if you have uncedo, just search on YouTube how to verify your account without pin. There's a black guy there, or you need to have two phones, and then you must have your ID or bank statement. Okay guys, and namhlanje we are going to Isitu Siyabuka Gala dinner, going to do my hair, makeup. So yeah, let's just get into it. Oh wait. Have you subscribed on my channel? Please, if you haven't subscribed on my channel, please do. Oh my god, I did not greet you guys. Here is your girl uSindlekwayama intombi ejonkazi kodwa kuwe ndiligeza lengoma. Welcome back on my Chup channel. Yes sir, I love you guys so much. I missed you guys so much. Hope you guys enjoy. So guys, ibedi yam for now ilena andikwazi ulala kulena ibedi, ndilale apha with my bokwe. So yeah, masondlule ke queen bed yam. This is what I use for my body. It's my one of my skin products. It's the brightening oil. I use it for my face, I use it for my body. 250 combo 1200. So guys, into enazixelayo itempo ndiyayeka. Hey, i-products zam ziyandibhida sometimes. So I use the Always pads. Perfect for me, okay? Perfect for me, very perfect. Very long, they're very comfortable. As see, and even if they're full, guys, kondi cover, yabo. I couldn't cover. Then it didn't wanna. I don't own panties, and I really don't own panties. Didn't like panty. It's come channel one. So now, nigga tingy. ipendi is right nazo gaba Calvin Klein yabona or Nike, but I think it's bikini panties. That's why I said I don't own panties, because I'm tana, because Numa is oqams. So this works for me. Numa is nkulu, zi comfortable, zi goma kwanto indutsu ntoni. So yeah, I think I'm in love with these pads. Please try them out, guys. I-tampon indaba yayo maske ndinibonise uba ihlele njani kakuhle kanjani, like yabona imephi. Ndiyayithanda. Oh, I love it. Ndiyayithanda. So comfortable. And then ngaphezulu ndinxiba tight because I don't want xa ndihamba ibe ishifta yabo. So yeah, ndithatha ibambe it-tampon indaba yayo, no, because I'm a heavy ntonton. So 2 hours means normally ndiyitshintsha kathathu within 3 hours ipad. So let me not yabo, at least mhlawumbi i-tampon ndiyinxibe 2 days after ndiyekile uba periods, so that the dirt iphumele kuzo. I don't know, I don't own panties. I don't own. So I'm going to tell you paint. Okay guys, sure. So the names alone. I just fished ilokoyam apha kazazi. Naughty. Okay guys, then after I shoot some Galadin, okay, so it's my location here too, guys. Abazimel. My location here too is we're gonna shoot here.
Yeah, take is a lens of photographer when sure.
Now I'm on my way to Galadina. I was invited by Ulanduka Gogo. We Galadina Sindu Siabukwa. I'm on my way there. Alfetian was saying so yeah, Dama did. Angel was still at work. So we will see so yeah, and yeah, hope you still enjoying. Please do not forget do not forget to comment, share, like and subscribe. Let's go to 30k subbies, guys. Come on, let's go 30k subbies. Mwah. Yeah. Say that's my vloggy.
Sisisintu siyabekwa lamakhandlela sizawalayita sizawuthi qha noba linye ikhandlela apha etafileni. Ngeli khandlela sithi sicela ukukhululeka. Ngeli khandlela sithi sekuqhaqha amaqhina ezimpilweni zethu. Ngeli khandlela sithi ukusukela namhlanje nokungena kwethu kule ndawo kube khona umahluko ezimpilweni zethu. Yimini namhlanje eyahlukileyo. Kulapho sijonge emva esikwenzileyo, kulapho sisajonge phambili apho siya khona. Sisithi kuba siyabulela ngoba konke osinike sona, konke esinike kona kodwa sikoneli. Sicela ukubheka phambili, sicela ukuphila, sicela ukuhlambuluka, sicela indlela ezicacileyo, sicela isibane esingacimiyo phezu kweentloko zethu, sicela imvano kumakhaya wethu, sicela ukukhululeka inzala ezibelekweni zethu, sicela imisebenzi, sicela ipromotion, sicela konke okuhle esikukhankanyileyo esingakukhankanyanga, sicela ukhusela abazali bethu, ukhusele thina, ukhusele inzala yethu. Masicela kuhle sinezi lifetime bayethe kovumba lempongo lenu, bayethe kongwenya nkomo. Ndiyakhothama ke kwisipele sokuphila kwam ndedede nomnyama vele kukhaya kube khosibele ayethe
Zanoko kuja.
You made me proud.
nazidina nazohlala insuku apha siyabulela bethuna nosukaphi ndidibanisa nonke kuni enkosi
Bye bye vlog. Oh. Wow. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Love you all. What a beautiful year it's gonna be!